This is a GCS News Break.
Take a stroll through this pedestrian tunnel at Piedmont Triad International Airport, and you'll see something brand new and completely unique. Art murals created by GCS third grade students are being installed on walkway walls.
PTI Airport had a vision for artwork being displayed in their tunnel area, and so they wanted to really showcase Guilford County School students. And so from there we chose a High Point school, a Greensboro school.
To kick things off, back in 2019, more than 100 third graders from Joyner Elementary and Allen J. Elementary took a field trip to PTI. For many of them, it was their first visit to an airport.
We gave them a tour of the airport, like the inner workings of the airport, but we also gave them an art tour. And I just remember one of the little girls said, "This is so cool," and they were so excited. And when I showed them the two tunnels where the art is going to be, and explained to them what we wanted the project to be about.
Students were then connected to local artist and creative consultant Philip Marsh. Marsh worked with the students creating artwork that would eventually be placed on composite billboard panels to create murals.
It's very important that kids have creative experiences. When we all are born, we have creative talents that we have from birth, and sometimes we lose those as we start to grow older and start to adult, and don't get to maximize those talents that we're born with.
The project was flying high until the COVID-19 pandemic put things in a holding pattern.
The only thing that the pandemic limited was the efficiency of installing the art, but it actually added to the experience because the students got to see how to persevere through things that happen in their life that are outside of their control.
And now that the panels are installed, they, along with all visitors to PTI, can see the results of their creativity and perseverance.
It's a pleasure to show those kids that they too can grow up and be an artist and travel all over the world and create art in beautiful places and be an asset to their community as they beautify spaces that may not have been beautified before.
This has been a GCS News Break.